Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. When you look at a towering skyscraper or a sprawling bridge, what do you see? You see human ingenuity, incredible design, and a testament to our ambition. But behind every one of these modern marvels are the true titans of the job site. The heavy machinery. For decades, the roar of diesel engines and the sight of massive steel arms have defined construction. But today, we're on the cusp of a revolution. We're not just building bigger. We're building smarter, safer, and more sustainably than ever before. In this video, we're going to break new ground and explore the incredible innovations in heavy machinery that are reshaping modern construction, from autonomous bulldozers to 3D printing excavators. The future is already here. Let's start with the big one: autonomy and robotics. Imagine a construction site operating 24/7 with pinpoint precision, minimal human error, and enhanced safety. This isn't science fiction anymore. Companies like Caterpillar and Komatsu are leading the charge with semi-autonomous and fully autonomous fleets. Think of GPS-guided bulldozers that can grade a site to within a centimeter of the digital plan, all on their own. These machines use a combination of LiDAR, high-precision, GPS, and advanced AI to perceive their environment and execute tasks flawlessly. The benefits are huge. Firstly, safety. By removing operators from potentially hazardous situations, we drastically reduce the risk of accidents. Secondly, efficiency. An autonomous dozer doesn't need brakes, doesn't get tired, and can work through the night, accelerating project timelines significantly. We're also seeing smaller, more specialized robots taking over repetitive or dangerous tasks, like tying rebar or performing inspections in confined spaces. This frees up human workers to focus on more complex, decision-making roles, elevating the skill level across the entire industry. Next up, let's talk about power. The iconic black smoke billowing from an exhaust stack is becoming a thing of the past. The industry is making a massive shift towards electrification and alternative fuels. Electric excavators, loaders, and compactors are no longer just concepts. They're operating on job sites right now. These machines offer zero tailpipe emissions, which is a game-changer for urban construction projects, where air quality is a major concern. They're also incredibly quiet, reducing noise pollution and allowing for extended operating hours in residential areas. The performance is impressive too. Electric motors provide instant torque, giving these machines powerful and responsive performance. Beyond just batteries, we're seeing exciting developments in hydrogen fuel cell technology for the largest of machines. Hydrogen offers a high energy density and fast refueling times, making it a promising solution for powering the heavy hitters of the construction world without the long recharge times of batteries. This green transition isn't just good for the planet, it's good for business, reducing fuel costs and meeting stricter environmental regulations. Now, how do we manage all this new technology? The answer lies in connectivity and data, what's known as telematics. Modern heavy machinery is essentially a rolling data center. Every piece of equipment is outfitted with sensors that track everything from engine hours and fuel consumption to location and operational efficiency. This data is transmitted in real time to a central hub, giving project managers a godlike view of the entire operation. They can see which machines are being underutilized, identify potential maintenance issues before they cause a breakdown, and optimize workflows for maximum productivity. This is the Internet of Things, or IoT, applied to the construction site. For example, if a loader is consistently idling for long periods, the system can flag it, prompting a manager to reevaluate the workflow. Is the truck fleet not arriving on time? Is the digging location too far from the dumping site? Telematics provides the data to answer these questions and make data-driven decisions, turning guesswork into a precise science and saving projects millions in the process. Perhaps one of the most visually stunning innovations is the rise of advanced manufacturing techniques right on the job site. I'm talking about 3D printing with concrete and other materials. We've seen 3D printed houses, but now we're seeing the technology scale up. Imagine a large gantry system or a robotic arm, much like an excavator, extruding layers of a specialized concrete mix to build walls, foundations, and even complex architectural structures. This method, also known as additive construction, drastically reduces waste because you're only placing material exactly where it's needed. It also speeds up the building process immensely, and allows for geometric forms that would be incredibly difficult or expensive to create with traditional casting methods. It's a fundamental shift from a subtractive process, where we cut things down to size, to an additive one, where we build from the ground up, layer by layer, with unprecedented precision and creative freedom. With all these new systems, how do operators keep up? The modern machine cab is transforming into something that looks more like a high-tech cockpit. Gone are the days of just a few levers and gauges. Today, operators are supported by advanced assistance systems. Augmented reality overlays are a fantastic example. An operator in an excavator can look at a screen that shows not just the real-world view from the camera, but also a digital overlay of the project plan, including the location of underground utilities like water pipes and electrical lines. This virtual X-revision helps prevent costly and dangerous strikes on buried infrastructure. Joysticks are becoming more ergonomic and intuitive, and machine control systems can automate complex movements, like maintaining a perfect grade or digging a trench to a specific depth. This doesn't replace the operator's skill. It enhances ET, reducing fatigue and allowing them to work with greater accuracy and confidence. It's about creating a partnership between human and machine. So what does all this mean for the future of construction? It means our cities will be built faster, with greater precision, and with a far smaller environmental footprint. It means construction sites will be safer places to work, with robots handling the most dangerous jobs and intelligent systems preventing accidents. And it means the role of the construction worker will evolve. The demand will be for tech-savvy operators, data analysts, and robotics technicians who can manage and maintain these sophisticated systems. The brawn is being augmented by the brain. The innovations we've discussed today, autonomy, electrification, telematics, 3D printing, and operator assistance, are not isolated trends. They are all interconnected pieces of a larger puzzle, creating a smarter, more efficient, and more sustainable construction ecosystem. The ground is truly breaking, and what we're building on top of it is not just new structures, but a whole new future for an industry as old as civilization itself. Thank you so much for joining me on this deep dive into the future of heavy machinery. It's an exciting time, and the technology is only going to get more incredible from here. What innovation are you most excited about? Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content about the cutting edge of engineering and technology, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one.